Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about how to extract and display all the numeric alphanumeric characters in a string using our TypeScript. Okay, here is basically if you provide any uh, combined string and integer value, then I need to extract from there. I need to display separately a string and numeric values separate. Okay, this is the main concept. Means we are going to extracting the characters and numbers and displaying to the different way. Okay, sorry. Now I am going to use that uh, separate alphanumerics .ts file. Okay, now I'm going to write a function extract alphanumeric values. Okay, and this is the one I used. Basically, this will work out. Okay, and now we'll see console.log. Now we'll see that whether we can able to extract or not. Okay, now this time it is not worked. I think yes, function alpha extracting string, but unexpected token it is given. Okay, which is existing functionality which we are using, right? That particular functionality, it is not working. Now, if you see here whether it will work, still it is not working. Okay, because this is given by the IntelliJ, and I'm removing this. Okay, and I'll see here I'm going to use for void. Now we can use for let letters. Okay, empty, and then numbers is empty. Okay, now here I'm going to use for loop. Let oh shit. Okay, we can see here first this one, and then we are going to use for character small a to capital J. In case if you are passing for any capitals and small letters, that need to be do. And again, both the comparison like below a and greater than a and below z. Okay, z or below z. Okay, a or above a. Like this we are going to check, and the letters plus one. Okay, if anything is coming, and then we are going to providing there. Okay, in case if that is not matched, then we are going to else condition. That's we are going to discussing for 0 to 9. Means we are providing for the string which is related to numbers and stringer. Okay, numbers will start from the 0, end with the 9. Characters start with the A, end with the Z. Because of that, we are mentioning 4. A and Z, small a, because in case if you're providing the small a's and it will capture from the here itself. If you're providing the capital, then it will go and check here. And if you provide the numbers, it will check here. Okay. And then once it is done everything, then I need to print those values. Okay, we need to print those values. And here I'm going to use for console.log letters one and then is numbers. Both the things we need to display. Okay. Now I'm going to use for here directly I'm passing here. Okay, now I say it again. We'll see this time. This is our code, which is not presented for IntelliJ. Oh shit. Here is the correct only. The function is correct. Where I done the mistake. Oh, function and extract alphanumeric. The method is not presented for any place. And why it is failing? Let's correct and numbers correct and for loop is a perfect and values are perfect and less than greater than let plus one. Somewhere something is mistake happen. Shit. Again, same place. 1 minute. There is a problem with the here. Okay, I have modified here I removed a colon string and colon void I have written, right? If you go ahead here, now if I run again, see this is the error came, right? Now after that I have removed this and also this and I saved here and then again I run. See now it is provided for the separated. Okay, you can see from here it is provided for the separate. Here there is a exclamatory mark, it is there, right? That it is not come from here. Okay, see here like this it is provided. Okay, hello world, and here is the word, it is copied and then it is pasted here, and also numbers which we have provided numbers, that numbers it is separated and given. It's the easiest way. Okay, comparing to all the things, see, it's a very easiest way. Okay, previous also we have starting time we have done the, okay, and maybe we can able to see here as well, and extract numbers, and maybe if you shit, and not required to, this having some problem I think, but it is it and everything is perfect, but okay, most probably it will not work out. If it is work out means great, right? Yes. Hello world it is displayed, but numbers not presented. It is displayed as undefined. But if you see right, numbers we are not attached. And now I'm going to add for numbers. Numbers because it is displayed as unknown. There is no number for that. Because of that, it is presented and undefined. Now we are going to displaying both the cases, but numbers it is not given. See here, it is not read the at exactly the numbers, but everything it is provided same like how it is there, and it is not work out as expected. But we have created the function, right? When intelligence sometimes it will give perfect, sometimes may not be, and we need to do some groundwork as well. Otherwise, it will not give you for 100% a pure results. You see now, if you are modifying again and again, it is keep on changing and okay. Now you are able to see for the separation, right? This particular function, it will give you for exactly numbers and characters. It will read the separate. Okay. I hope it this entire information help for you. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.